back to my channel, and I'm back here again, and today's pretty nice sunny. I should probably film another video, but anyways, today's another origami video because origami is part of the although I'm not an origami channel. Okay, so this pen holder sticks on the wall, which I really like, and someone knocked it over and ripped it apart, so I need to recreate it, and I was like, why not film it? Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. My last pen holder broke, so I'm left with these pens that need a home. But first, self-care. There is a coronavirus outbreak, so if you haven't drank your water today, pause the video and do that right now. Also take your vitamins because it boosts your immune system. And a cookie once in a while is fine. Now for the origami pen holder, you'll need 3 origami paper or 6 if you want it double-sided. For the first part, you'll need to fold the paper to create these folds by following the tutorial.
Get me high, I'm going out of my mind. You bring me the sunlight, you bring me the sunlight. Don't know why, I see the love in your eye. Call me wild, you make me feel so alive. We're back in the summer, we're back in the summer. Dancing in the dark, no one can save us, no one can save us. Let me shoot the sky, yeah, that's dangerous.
Alright, so the past folds are guiding lines to turn the pen holder into shape. There are a few folds left and the first module will be completed. For the last step, you'll need to shove the smaller side, if there is a variation, into another so it will look something like this. If there are bumps in the inner square, just smooth them out.
Baby, your body got me so confused.
Lesson learned from the past pen holders that broke: take these parts of the modules so it'll stay attached, and only put a few pens in them or else it'll break if overpacked.
Close to you, I lost my mind.
Now go ahead and make the other 2 modules if you want them to stick on the wall, or 5 if you want a standing pen holder.
When I look into your eyes, I wanna be your girl. Do you like me? Do you like me, my boy? I wanna be your girl. So baby, please take all my love. My love is true. I wanna spend the nights with you. I'll show you something good. Let me get close
arrange the modules to the order pleasing to your eyes. To assemble them, I just glue them together. It works. By the way, if you're doing a standing pen holder, stick the 6 modules together so it'll look like a hexagon. If you want the back to be more secured, glue a piece of cardboard at the back of the pen holder.
So much money and so much fun. Oh, guys, falling to the dark side.
For the bottom of the pen holder, cut out a cardboard, its shape, and glue it on. By the way, sorry for the dim lighting here. Then put something heavy on top for it to dry up more efficiently.
Just down with me. Come on, baby,
That's for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the button down below for my future videos. Bye!
come on, baby, just